Hello. Just want to make a quick video. Not exactly how I wanted to come back, but because I couldn't find one, I thought, hey, let me make a video out of this and put it out there on the internet to watch. Maybe it could help anybody out there. So here I am today, and I'm going to show you 3 methods of child safety locks I wanted to put on my Alex drawers, but Alex drawers are a little different than most drawers. I'll show you the pros and cons of stuff and how it works. Okay, so I bought this TV stand and it has a drawer here to put my games and whatnot. And this one has these type of child safety locks. And I wanted to put these on my Alex drawer, but the problem is, as you can see, you could pull out and they can't open it. But the thing about these is my daughter has got caught her fingers on this. See? Just like that. Boom. And to open these is real easy, you know, just press down and it opens. Just press this down. So good thing about it, they are secured, they can't open it, but they get their fingers caught. Okay, so this is easy to install. Does it come with a lot of pieces? Yes, it does. I personally didn't even use this. I just, like, this was inside the drawer and I would just boop wherever it was. It's just to help you to know where it's at, to help you. Okay, so this is pretty much the setup. You stick, and unlock it. Really simple. The problem to this was because Alex drawers have no space between each other. When it came to this, it wouldn't close, and when I did manage to force it to close and I wanted to open it again and I would unlock it, it would cause a chain reaction to get all of them stuck. And that's pretty much the sucky part about them, because this is mainly what keeps this secure inside. I love my Alex drawers and I wish this thing wasn't so visible, but child safety comes first, right? So here's my third and final method I went with these safety locks, and these were pretty easy to install and they're pretty easy to open. See? Okay, so pretty much how you open this is right here. You slide this forward and clip off. See? I just clip it back on. And wait, see? I just clip this back on. See? And this right here, you could remove this. This right here, you can remove it to tighten the strap. You just slide it out as well, and then you slide it back in to like tighten it. No fingers can get caught. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to tighten it. You slide this off and see, and you make it even tighter. You pull it and you just slide this back in. Hold on. I found it's easy to just hold it like that, and you slide it in just like that. See? And you just push these back in. And this is how it looks. Stick these however you like them. And unclip. This is the part you stick to here. Like that. Makes it so much easier to just unlock from in or however you like it. So yeah. So this is my drawer now. I have it on both sides. No more mess on the floor. No more lipsticks on the floor and whatnot. I actually need to clean these because my kids have been trying to get to them, and they can't open them. They're too focused trying to open this, and it's really right here where you just unclip it. And I got these from Amazon, so I'll link up below. Also the magnets, if you still want to try those for regular drawers, I would, but they just won't work for Alex drawers, and unless you can figure a way out. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. You just need it on one side. I thought it was gonna need both sides, but nope, it works perfectly just on one side. Alright, that wraps that video up. So thanks for watching. Bye.